we're going to open our box. Destiny got it today. It's our first one. We're very excited. Destiny, come over here. Sit. That's a good girl. Hang on 1 second. I'll get this thing open. Okay. This is her first box. We're very excited. Okay. They wrapped it very nicely for protection. Come over here. What's in here? Oh, this is nice. We got a bone, a buck for these bone, and there you go. And they also gave Licks liquid vitamin for joint and health. Come on over here, there's more. Come on. What's else in here? Cookies. These are Ducky Jerky treats. And they're made in the USA. Everything's made in the USA. They same thing with the toys. More. A toy. You like it? It's purple. This is a rope, knots rope. And this is a duck chew. And what is this? Easy Clean bath mitt for, I guess, when they get a bath. And you can, yeah, it's a mitt. So, this is everything that we got in our box. And, that's it for the first month. Okay. See you next month.